Welcome back in electronics lecture. We have started the chapter is what? Fundamentals of computers. It is very small chapter. Yes, we have seen the last lecture in computer fundamentals is the memories. Okay. So memories are of so many types. Basic are two types, primary memory and secondary memory. In their primary memory are the so many types of memory again. It is the random access memory, read-only memory, yes, and from memory, that is programmable read-only memory, isn't it? EEPROM, erasable programmable memory, and the yes, flash memory. All that memories we have seen. So today we are going to start is the floppy disk and hard disk. FDD means what? Floppy disk and hard disk. Before going to this thing, we will distinguish between primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory and the secondary memory. What is the distinguish between these two that we have seen in the last lecture, but we have not noted down this. So primary memory is in the computer itself. So primary memory is inbuilt memory which is in the CPU. It is in CPU, in the central processing unit, but it is the out of computer or out of CPU. It is called as the secondary memory. Means whatever pen drive, CD you use is in the secondary memory. Okay, so all RAM, ROM are in the primary memory. Okay, so this primary memory is faster than secondary memory, and this is the slower than the primary memory. So primary memory have the more data you can save in the primary memory, but here it is the faster than the secondary memory, and the secondary memory is the slower than the primary memory. So it's not essential the components in the primary memory, but there is the essential of components. Means it is a volatile memory. It is volatile memory and it is non-volatile memory. Non-volatile. Volatile and non-volatile means what? When power is off, your data will not gone in the secondary memory. Means it is called as the non-volatile memory, and when power is off, your data will be off, or you can't see the data on the computer. Is called as the volatile memory. So these primary memory are always volatile memory, and secondary memory is the non-volatile memory. So it is this primary memory and secondary memory have so many differences, but if it is asked that the difference between primary memory and the secondary memory, you can write like this. Okay. Now we will start the floppy disk. Floppy disk means what? It is the disk which is used to read and write. Okay. This disk is also used to read and write. This which type of memory it is? Yes, it is the random access memory. So I will draw the diagram for it. It is in the disk form. This is in the disk form. Small disk is there. floppy disk is used to rotate the appropriate portion of the read-write heads, makes the contact with the disk. It consists of thin film of plate coated with the magnetic oxide and electrostatic. It is enclosed inside a plastic cover. Okay, so this is what the plastic cover. It is in the round shape, means what it is the disc, and it is enclosed in the plastic cover. So its capacity is 5.25 inch. Yes, its capacity is 5.25 inch in size and 1.28 megabyte of data it can be stored. 1.28 megabyte of data can be stored, and its speed of the floppy disk is 360 RPM. Yes, RPM means what? It is a revolution per minute. Okay, so you can read and write here. Read data and write data. Therefore, floppy disk is used for read and write both purpose. Floppy disk is what? It is in the form of disk which is covered with the plastic cover, and it has the size of 5.25 inch. It has the data can be stored is 1.28 megabytes, and its capacity is 360 RPM. Okay, so next we are going to see is the hard disk. This floppy disk is the secondary storage device because we can use it externally. It is not inside the CPU. So this floppy disk can be used in the floppy drive. Okay, this floppy is used to read and write both purpose. It is in the round shape, which is covered with the plastic cover, and it has size is 5.25 inch, and its data stored here is 1.28 megabytes, and its revolution per minute means how many times it revolves is at the 360 RPM. Okay, so next is the hard disk. So this is the diagram for hard disk. See, it is inside the computer. It is inside the computers. It have tracks. These all are the 199 tracks are there. How many tracks? 199 tracks are there. Tracks means what? The path which shows by the CPU. Okay, so hard disk is this disk consists of metallic disk covered with the metallic film. So it is a permanent fixed in the disk drive. It is in the CPU, therefore it is permanently saved in the disk drive. The number of tracks varies from 200 to 800, depends on the disk, which disk you have used. So it is read-write head moves over the desired track to read the data from the disk. So this hard disk is used to read the data from the disk drive. So hard disk can store more data than the floppy disk because its RPM is more, and it have the 199 tracks, near about 200 or 200 to 800, depends on the disk, which disk you have saved in your computer. Okay, so hard disk and floppy disk is the difference is what? The hard disk is inside the computer, floppy disk is outside the computer. Means externally we can use this. Disk is the floppy disk, it is covered with the plastic, and here we can read and write both things we can do here. At and its size is 5.25 inch and data store is 1.28 megabyte and its resolution is 360 rpm. But in the hard disk 199 tracks are there. More data can be stored in the hard disk, and which disk you have used is depend on that. So it can number of tracks varies from 200 to 800. So read write data head moves over the desired track to read the data from the disk drive. Okay, so hard disk can store more than the floppy disk. It is store the data more than the floppy disk drive. Okay, so these two are the basic things which required for the computer. Next we are going to see is the CD-ROM. CD-ROM means what? CD-ROM is nothing but that is a compact disk. It's compact disk. It is a read-only memory or the optical disk. Is the read-only memory. ROM is the what? Read-only memory or it is the optical disk. CD-ROM is the optical disk. So a single optical disk store the data which require 1000 or more floppy disks are there. In that CD-ROM, more than 1000 or 1000 CDs can be in the floppy disk. In the CD-ROM, more than 1000 floppy disks are there. So it is the silver plastic disc, or it is also called as the platter. Platter means what? It is having silver plastic disc. It is what? It is the silver plastic disc. So the digital information is recorded during the manufacturing by the laser. So data can be stored or it can be, the digital information is recorded during the manufacturing by the laser. So here the data is stored by using the laser. So the playing surface is coated with a thin film of aluminium and therefore it reflects the scanning laser beam of the CD-ROM player. Okay, what it says, the playing surface is coated with a thin film of aluminium. Yes, playing surface is coated with a thin film of aluminium. Yes, it is coated with the thin film of aluminium, and this can be reflect the scanning laser beam of the CD player, CD-ROM drive. Okay, this layer of clear resin cover the aluminium portion. So it is the read only. It cannot change it. We cannot write it here because it is the type of random read only memory. Okay, so the storage capacity for this is the 70 megabyte. Okay, this is in the CD-ROM. So here this computer fundamental chapter finishes. So only this much part is remained to complete this chapter. Only computer fundamentals have the basic things. Only what is required in the computer, which memories are required, which input devices are there, which output devices are there, for what purpose they use, we have seen all those things. So last remained is what? Floppy disk, hard disk and CD-ROM. You know all those things. Nowadays no one use the floppy disk to store the data, or we use the pen drive. Pen drive is the secondary memory. What is the primary memory and secondary memory? We have discussed the difference between both primary memory and secondary memory. In the primary memory, what we have seen, primary memory is inbuilt memory. It is in the CPU, in the central processing unit. But secondary memory is not in the CPU. It is out of the CPU, or the pen drive is the example of the secondary memory. And in the primary memory is the faster memory than the secondary memory, but secondary memory is the slower than the primary memory because it not get the data, it not save the data fastly. And primary memory is the volatile memory and secondary memory is the non-volatile memory. Therefore, this floppy disk here we use is the as a secondary memory. Okay. So this floppy disk is having what? The central disk is there which rotates, and whatever data if you want to read or write, you can read and write because it is the type of the random access memory. So here you can read and write both purpose cameras here in the floppy disk. So it is covered with the plastic cover. So here its size is near about 5.25 inch, and we can save the data is 1.28 megabyte, or its revolution per minute or its revolve in the floppy is at the 360 rpm. Okay, so this is the floppy disk. Next is the hard disk. Hard disk means what? It is inside the computer. The disk consists of metallic disk coated with the metals. It is coated with the plastic thing, and it is covered with it is coated with the metals. It is permanently fixed in the disk drive. It is the fixed in the disk drive. It is not the secondary memory, so that we can use externally. It is inside the computer only. So number of tracks varies from 200 to 800. Okay, so 199 tracks are there. Tracks means path through which the data can be sent. Therefore, it is faster than the floppy disk. So read write both purpose can be done in the hard disk drive because it is the type of the random access memory. So hard disk can be stored and more data than the floppy disk. And the last is the CD-ROM. CD-ROM means what? It is a compact disk. CD means what? Compact disk. This C indicates the compact and D is the disk. Compact disk read only memory. CD-ROM means what? Compact disk read only memory. It is a single optical disk. Optical means what? Which depends on the light. No electrical signal is given here, so it works on the light. So it is the optical disc, and it is survived plastic disc or the platter. It is also called as the. It is also covered with the plastic cover, and it is called as the platter. And that platter is covered with the silver plastic disc. And whatever data we store is by using the laser. Laser technique we can store the data. So it is that laser is covered with the thin film of aluminum, and the size it stored the data is about 70 megabyte. Okay, so this much data you can store or save in the CD drive. All of you understand? This is very easy chapter. All basic things which required for the computers are given in this chapter as a fundamentals of the computers. All of you know all these fundamentals very well. Okay, so we have just taken it as a part of your syllabus. So this finishes your computer fundamentals from the paper 2. This is last chapter. That next new chapter we are going to start in the next lecture. All of you understand? I will give the notes of this chapter by the PDF file. Okay, thank you.